Today is July 13th, 2025. Call it downtrend with bullish reversal signal structure of a bullish falling wedge pattern. With a nice clean divergent low, you have positive and bullish divergences constructed and confirmed on multiple key technical momentum indicators, where the US dollar index has been trapped really within a multi-month range and or falling wedge, which is typical of a bullish reversal pattern, where a clean breakout from this wedge just occurred, accompanied by the bullish divergences on the relative strength index and a lower high in price, were a signal that smart money might be accumulating underneath the surface here. Make no mistake, that is a solidified breakout structure, taking out the primary descending price resistance level, where the relative strength index printing around the 4763 handle, rising and breaking out of its bullish divergence, where momentum is beginning to shift here. You have the moving average convergence with its first bullish histogram flip since the recent downtrend ever began there, and that is printing above its zero line threshold currently, with an additional early bull signal. Then you have the price percent oscillator ADX beginning to have its bullish attempt in forming to the upside, and a high stochastics 85 threshold overbought but not rolling over yet, where bullish continuation is more than likely before it's reset. So you have clear signs of bullish divergence, breakout attempts in progress, and momentum beginning to improve across the board within the key technical momentum indicator realm. And this is ideal for a reversal setup from a bullish falling wedge structure with confirmation emerging, where a reclaim of the 100 handle could validate a trend reversal, especially taking out the 98. I believe there will be a stronger force of momentum with that reclaim, would only validate a trend reversal toward the mid 100s. And these are some of your key technical structure. Wait for the breakout above the 98 handle, and I will be setting up some longs there, setting some stops below the 97 handle for an additional great risk reward long trade setup to the upside. Honing in on some targets and some measurements, taking the breakout up to the 100 handle, first target for 1.9% in gains. Things get really bullish, taking out the 236 fib to the second target at the 102 handle for 4% in gains. And if things get exceedingly bullish, all the way up to the golden fib zone of the 105 handle for 7% in gains to the upside, with additionally taking the stop loss down around a minus we'll call it a 1.25% stop loss. The US dollar index is potentially completing a bullish reversal from this bullish falling wedge with bullish divergence, multi-month structural compression, where the wedge structure was effective, it was subtle, and it is now being validated, making this a compelling zone for trend reversal. Where the world and the masses are leaning bearish, I see a potential setup where liquidity is quietly flooding back in through stealth fiscal pipelines, while real rates plateau into policy impotency. The strongest hands are potentially scooping distressed assets at fire sale prices, while retail vomits the lows, unaware that the dollar's quiet rollover is the starter pistol for the next dollar melt-up, where this could become not just the bear market rally, but this could be the ignition of a new regime where capital chases scarcity, and those positioned early ride the ultimate vertical if the breakout occurs.